And now no me betena ha e prezi eye abranti ya ne mfoni e dash screen so yi. Sa time na me nim no. Na me nim se ono na oye Sami Jemfi e deputy communication director of the NDC. E fe ne Malik Basin Tele. Na ende wasanso aye biom wakwa akotena eye TV3 ema NPP ni bia ye fe no Alfred Thompson. Figures bi a wode betuja dresse wo hwese ne Maliki wachi NPP ni wachi NPP ni abobbo ne nimma ne num ni ayemoja nyese literally wabobbo ne nimo ba seni ba kono ba betwantro e ba kono ba betwantro wachi na abobbo no ma ne num ni ayemoja enya asem ketwa seni wegu NPP ni enimu asempa ewo TV so no na mepese yetie de course no yetie wi a me wasem kan Ghana journalist me wasem campaign yengo timbra.
I want to cross check figures. I'm here on figures, not tribal issues. You said 2016. Google. Just confirm. You said 2016 inflation was what? Google. Tell me your document. Are you scared of inflation? Tell me. You said 2016 was what? You said 2016 inflation. This was what?
After what did you say?
17.45. Okay. Type Google. Inflation 2016. How much is it? Inflation 2016.
15.4.
15.4. Where did you get 17.4? This is online. This is statistical service.
Where?
Check it. Online. Go on Google.
So even Google 15.4.
Where did you 15.4?
15.4.
Yet you sat in your room yesterday night. Type.
And for those who don't understand what's going on, NPP Nino akwa print documents aba betena studio ho. Ena onse ba omi akwa kasa na nsen wo se economy no ma manage ne better sen NDC for. CD rate omo manage ne better sen NDC for. Ena NPP na akwa print documents awode aba betu ja se NDC time inflation in a particular month na 17%. Inti ono the document abawo ema wo bobo figures. Inti eno na Malik Basin Tele no. Omba opese Ghana phone ne hu ne se sa figures na MPP ne akwa print de aba studio ho na yentro no wocha. Inti ho na katre host no journalist ne se Google ade no na ye hu figures no ne expose MPP ne hu ne se MPP for omo ba TV so asa na omo ye omo kokotwa ntro print wo paper so inti onya ba na obebobo figures na ebe yo se no kware na oka nanso na ni na ye ntro ti ho e na host ni Google ya host ni hu se no kware MPP ni no se wo twa ntro yentie de course ye yensanso ntia so
17.4 or 17.5 concorded figures.
Just look at that.
And you come and sit on this platform and want us to believe you. Just type. You think we don't think?
So type the rest.
Type inflation. Can you
type 2017 and let's see what
please?
And 2018.
Please.
And 2019.
No, can you please check in?
Don't use one. Yes.
No, don't use one. When you type, you get
please.
You lied on one, and I'm telling you lied.
And I'm giving
you lied. Sat in your room and typed inflation in 2016 at 17.something%. Came and sat here and you think you can smuggle it in. Just go on Google.
Inflation rate for December 2016, and this is coming from the website of Ghana
Statistical Service. Very good.
15.4%. Now go.
And he said it was what? 17 point something.
This is 2016.
16. You said it was 17 point something. This is how people think you can easily lie and get away with things. We would fact check you on this platform. This is TV3 Ghana. This is not any other platform. 15.4. How did you get yours? You sat here and said growth rate. Okay, that we did 5 point, that we did what 2 point something or whatever. He was quoting some bogus figures there. Growth rate in 2016 was 3.6%. Today we are doing 1.5. Paltry. You are not ashamed of your government. You sat here and you said budget deficit. He said we did what? A budget. You mentioned some concorded figures. I mean on the set. Budget deficit we did 6.1%. Today. The budgetary deficit in Ghana is the highest in the entire Africa. In fact, almost the entire world. Anytime you set a budget, you recklessly spend out of it, shamelessly misuse, dissipate funds. And then today, you are hitting a budget deficit of about 12%. You are not ashamed of your government. Interest rates. He said we're doing 30-something. I mean, he typed it. He said, I don't know who you type these things with. If you're a fan of using Baumia's documents, you embarrass yourself. Interest rates, 25%. We gave it to them. Today, they are doing an interest rate of 40% under their government. And he was quoting some misled figures on the system. Exchange rate, why didn't you go there? 4.2%. Today, your exchange rate is at what? It's at 12% a dollar. You're not ashamed of your government. And then you come and say, we did better than them. Look,
let's be
Roland,
decent in the language,
we are
please.
decent in this language. Amidst all this, in 2016, central bank financing to the government was zero. Today, you have printed monies to over 78 billion under your government. You sit down, you get up and you print. And inflation is rising. And he was quoting some warped figures of inflation or whatever. Please, Mr. Alfred Thompson, with the greatest of respect, don't go the line of the vice president, or else you embarrass yourself like how checked you on this platform. All we are saying, Roland, is that the current state of the economy has nothing to do with this person is a northerner, he's a southerner, he's an Igbo, he's a Bangladesh. No, we are talking about prudent management and policy formulation. We need thinkers. We need people who can take us to the promised land. We need people who understand the crisis we find ourselves.
That's what's happened. Actually, NPP Nino Niso Ewo TV3. Now, personally, I have a problem with Ghanaian journalists. I don't know, but journalism is jumano at all. I have a problem with Ghanaian journalists. Say Ghana journalists who I don't know whether NPP wa be munti no mo yes adia, but say Ghana journalists say ombet fact check politicians are. Na Kenya no say ye print figures about beto Ghana for enim ni yetwa Ghana for ntro. I am telling you. Hey, sad data ya de bia ba omiaba no aba beka and ye creating Numa 2.1 million. Say employment minister ba was ye creating Numa 3 million. Say vice president finance minister akasa was ye creating Numa 2.3. Say president akasa was ye creating Numa 4 million. Hey, and yes say Ghana journalist ena omayo mo ho say NPP time inti and ye nyama yenye we ya nanka saa de we ni na no ato. You guys, you know, on countless occasions, how I have sat on this platform to speak about the fact that yenim Dumso yenina yenim when Dumso came into the country and when Dumso was solved. Ba obenya NPP ni NDC ni na wo biate omuni akwa akotena platform so na ye argument na NDC ni say ye ne solve ye na NPP so say ye ne solve ye na NPP ni say Mahama na didum so ba ye na NDC ni say dabi na journalist na wonim facts and figures na nko betumi a check ya magana fu hu no kwai no de nsa hye ne demri femu sa na otie say politicians no the same way ye politics ya na medwe ho amenti ase. There are some things who journalists na say setting right. Ubenya NPP ni or argue ewo TV station say dollar no senior NDC buy be fa free 1 cedi e dey call 4 cedis awo mo NPP so aba be fa free 4 cedis e dey akọ 12 no omo NPP aye adwuma from 4 cedis to 12 e ye better sing from 1 cedi to 4 na journalist ho na wo tie say NPP ni yes analysis fun we no wo ti ho no wo tie NDC ni yeso kasa wose dabi manen kasa dabi e wose Ghanaian journalist e hya ase ye adwuma ni yi sa de we nanka Malik Basintele nanka one country journalist no Roland Walker, and Roland Walker is a veteran journalist in this country, one of the finest we've ever had in Ghana. Wache e adwuma ni but bobo NPP ni bobo figures no na Malik Basintele and country journalist say Google ni ehwa na NPP ni dey abriga na fu ani so ama waba TV so aba be yedede say NPP for figures no etrese NPP for manage economy ni ye na so won say Malik Basintele ka tell say on check ya wo check ye no afi na nani megwa ase afi ato ne akeka unhu de wonka a journalist no juma, and I don't know why they leave it. Say yeah in public ni mum ni enkonko. What value are you giving to us? Sisi a journalist no sa no mu yo. Sisi a wono ne de ne say NDC aka ne de, NPP so aka ne de. Me de ne say me tenase ama mokwan say wo monkasa. Omo kase wi a wo Ghana ni na oti echi no. Wafa kokoye wasem. Now wafa make you decision. You are not helping. What value? What added value are you giving to us? added value be na wo de mayen. Value be na wa added to the whole thing. Dabi, fact check them. Baumia is fond of that. Inti NPP for betina se no mu use Baumia figures are in tronkwan. Fact check so that ungu when you say. O ya NPP communicator nso a just a one. Ya print ya she wunsem. And I would eba be twantro. But in order for you to also avoid saa die we no. Say when you beba be go ase wo TV so no. One kasa so sebe. Answer na wo ba no. Check answer. No one say that be adie we dey men check. Because listen, nipa dey we ye dey nkra bias e wo ho. Uye NPP niya, you are always biased towards the figures at Ebuamo. Uye NDC niya, you are also biased towards the figures at Ebuamo. But at the end of the day, uni na kofa NPP bias figures at the bar. Eye wuna we nimbe gwase, enye party no. Eye who communicator na wababeti na TV sunu na we nim ebe gwase. Inti se wu tie me na uye NPP niya. Mesrew, ye ma o figures and na upe se wababe kasafa figures one. It is not difficult to Google. The reason why Malik Basintele was brave enough to tell the journalist to Google, journalist ni Google ya or the figures by and say he did his homework or no Malik Basintele no or ye ni homework answer na wo ba show ne so no or Google ye eno hu figures no into a ba show ne so wo hu say NPP na ba be different figures no or say that be me Google answer me ba it me Google answer me ba no me say NPP no wo twantro na me exposing intro na wo twa no nti e ho no wensuru eno ka kire host ni say Google host ni so Google no hu say Malik Basintele na e ka no kware no. Is it difficult? Just do your checks. Just Google it. Just check from official website. What they cast them and you who say a fact and figures now what they cast them. My man be go when you want to see. Ndi futu ame me mano no. Mo betia muntie so a mo amasema. Mesre montre mo adwen. E wo comment box nim. We should do better. Ghanaian, I don't know, the journalism standards in there ato me kametre mo ato in a modern Ghana. It is still a debate between NPP and NDC. So why na di dum so ba Ghana? Whilst a journalist can just check and tell Ghanaians how